channel. I'm Mark Share. Techniques. Push button. Kick. This is all police. Especially all militaries. This is good. Use for self-defense. Push button and kick. Please be careful. Use and handle this. All beginners, students, police, military. Push button on this level. How to use a proper cross button. And kick. Base of curtain. A proper use across button. Make sure guys, put your hand to like this and roll. Either left or right, it's okay, no problem. How to proper use across button. To avoid accident, use your hand, put your hand in the center of your body. And kick. Again, either left or right, it's okay, no problem. Proper use across button. To all student beginners, a proper use across button. To all students beginners, use across button and kick. Please subscribe, click the notification bell so follow my Facebook and TikTok. Again, to all beginners, to avoid accident, put your hand in the center of your body and turn. Learn how to roll your hand. Kahit sa bahay guys, pwede mo pag-aralan how to roll your arm. Left and right. And then, study of kick. Again, this is good. To the members of police, military, NBI, I want to say hello to all the students. Yan. Kung mga nagpa-shout out, kayong lahat dyan, shout out. Ayan guys, no? Marami-rami kayo, kaya hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa pa. Yan. Learn. Kick. Pak. It depends the perimeter of your potence. Depende sa layo ng iyong kalaban. Now, kung ang kalaban mo guys is malapitan, isang dipa, use has to be like this technique. Para ikaw ay makalapit. Now, pag ang kalaban mo, your potence sa more than, for example, dalawang dipa, ang layo ng iyong kalaban, ayos, proper cross button, is to be like this, and then Fly. Kick. Use the elbow. Pag ikaw yun sa malapit na, and then put the bottom of cross button. This. Remember, to avoid accident, put your arm inside your body to like this. To all beginners, nasa mga student natin sa military, I want to say hi, hello to all of that. And then, posisyon, depende guys kung malaki o matangkad ang inyong kalaban. Pag matangkad ang inyong kalaban, strike has to be like this, and then put down, then pack down, up. Ngayon, kung laki mo lang din, is fight has to be like this. Reminder to avoid accident. To all beginners, put your arm has to be like this. Thank you so much. Okay, may napulot kayo. Guys, no? Titik and thank you so much, and I'll be back my next vlog.